Hello everyone, this is Howard from San Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here, folks, is we're patching the stack. You can see that it came up and has a little ridge here. So we're going to patch all that and recoat it. Hello everyone, this is Howard from San Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is we're waterproofing a second story balcony. A little bit of patching here, so just feathering it in. This balcony is approximately 14 feet long and about 7 feet wide. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your balcony recoatings, any kind of balcony repairs you have at your home or your office. You see, we patch that in. We had a spa here, so we float out where the rim was. Well folks, I got to finish this up. Thanks for watching the video. More than happy to come out and give you a free estimate. Have a great day and bye for now.